Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Now let's scroll and find Special App Access. Scroll again and tap on Install Unknown Apps. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something, so we can change it. Simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.